Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Rashil Anwar and you're watching Compare Education Pakistan. So let's start. The place I live in, from English Language, Unit 6, Grade 2, Part 2, Balochistan Textbook Board Quetta. So let's start. Transportation: aeroplane, truck, ship, bus, car, rickshaw, train, and motorcycle. Activity: match the naming word with the pictures. Train, train. Ship, ship. Bus, bus. Rickshaw, rickshaw. Aeroplane, aeroplane. Grammar: prepositions. The cow is behind the cat. The cup is in front of the cat. The ball is next to the cat. The cat is between the cup and the cow. The cow is near the tree. Activity: complete the passage with the help of given prepositions. Between, to, near, in front of, behind. A big tree is behind the cow and the cow is behind the cat. The cat is between the cow and a cup. The cup is in front of cat and ball is next to the cat. Capitalization: we always write the initial letter of the first word of a sentence in capital. The initial letter of the names of people, pets, and places are also written in capital. My name is Hamza. Hamza is the name of person, so H should be capital. My is the first word of a sentence, so M should be capital. I have a cat. Its name is Manu. Manu is the name of pet. If it's a name of person, it should be capital. If it's a name of pet, so it should be capital. M should be capital. I have a cat. I is not the name of a person, not name of a pet, or not name of place. So I is the first word of a sentence. So I should be capital. I live in Quetta. Quetta is the name of place. So Q should be capital. Activity: rewrite the following sentences by using capitalization. My name is Abdullah. Abdullah is name of a person, so A should be capital. My name is Abdullah. My name is Hina. I live in Sibbi. Sibbi is name of a place, so S should be capital. I have a dog. Its name is Tony. My uncle lives in Ziyarat. Activity: match the action words with pictures. Reading, hitting, sleeping, catching, watching. Reading: we should match reading with reading. Hitting, sleeping, catching, watching. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you all enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure to subscribe our channel Compare Education Pakistan. Like this video and don't forget to click the bell icon. Allah Hafiz.